So this video to show how to make a credit note or a refund. So to make a credit note, you go to the other and then invoice lookup. So you can now look at invoices for one date or an invoice number if you have the invoice in front of you, or all the invoices linked to a member. You can even look up a member from here if you want. So if I say here, example, that I will look on Sunday, of course, I need to verify that I have select closed because the invoices are closed. It's only at the cafe and bar or restaurant that you can have open invoices. We select all the types and then we can say here, refresh the selection, and I see all the invoices from Sunday. So now if I want, I can select, for example, this one. And when you select an invoice, I can perhaps take another one. I see the details here. So that was a 7-Up with a bottle deposit. I have all these options to be able to work on. So now I can say, for example, I wanted to have a credit note. I select the two. I could select just one of the two. That is up to you. I say next, and then I say next. And I can say that I wanted to refund by cash. And it's the exact amount that I will do. That is exactly what happens when you had the invoice. And now I say done. And that has been printed. You cannot see, but it has been printed. I didn't say screen here. So that is the way you can make a credit note for any invoice. If you know the invoice, if you don't know the invoice and you want to make a refund, you click on the refund. But it's only an admin that can make a refund. So if I say, for example, I want to refund this one, and then I say, I go to the payment, I will say on screen, and I will say cash, and create the refund. And now you have a credit note that is a refund, so it's not based on an existing invoice. So that are the two ways you can make a refund or a credit note when somebody happens that you need to react to and cancel something.